Hello and welcome to Booleans in Python. My name is Laura Harris and I'm excited to discuss Booleans with you today. So let's get started. Booleans represent either a true or false value. Booleans are used most to evaluate a statement. In our next video, we will talk about using them as part of an if-then-else statement. But here, we're just looking at how we can use them using mathematical operands. So we can do equals, which will return a true value if the two values are equal. So in the example here, A is 10 and B is 20. If you assign these variables these values, and then print the associated statement, you will get a false because 10 is not equal to 20. If you change the first equal sign to an exclamation mark, this changes the equals to a not equal. In this case, A being 10 and B being 20 would return a true because they are not equal. We can use the greater than, less than symbols. We can use the greater than, less than with an equal sign symbols. All of these will respond according to what you would normally consider under mathematical operations. Here's an example. If you type into Python a print statement where you have 15 greater than 9, what is the output? Well, you'll see that it is true because 15 is greater than 9, and the condition is a Boolean. So we can return a Boolean value based on the Boolean function, and this evaluates a value or statement and returns a Boolean. So almost any value will evaluate as true as long as it has contents. So any string is considered a true Boolean unless it's an empty string. Any number is true except for 0. And any list, tuple, set, or dictionary are true except for empty ones. A none value, for example an empty cell in a Python worksheet, is going to return as false because Python considers that to be an empty variable, just like an empty string or an empty list. You can play around with this. So let's say I define A as the string hello, B as the integer 15, C as 0, and D as an empty string. And then I print the Boolean of each of these variables. You will see that A's Boolean is true, B's Boolean is true, C is false, and D is false. So again, I encourage you to try that on your own. Thank you for joining me today on this brief overview of Booleans in Python. If you have any questions, please reach out. My email is training@msu.edu. Have a great day.